Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a Renault card key. This particular card was used for models starting from 2003 up until 2008, and it's a relatively simple procedure. You just have to push your emergency key. So it goes onto the side of the key. You just have to push it out. It's clipped together, so it pushes out of a position like that. Put the emergency blade on the side, and then you have the battery inside here. It helps having gloves on because it grips with the battery. If you use your bare hands, you'll notice it's a little bit slippery. So in our case, we have a CR2025 battery. Replace that one, and please do make sure you put the positive side of the battery towards the buttons. Okay, push it back into position, and then put the emergency blade back in. It clips, and that is your Renault key ready to go. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.